Alright guys, I apologize for the last video we made. I had this thing stuck on a frame that I didn't know it was stuck on, and it didn't turn out as good as I'd like, but I got that straightened out. Still new to this, still figuring it all out. So what we're going to do today is we're going to put some floorboards on Christy's bike. She ordered some floorboards off of Amazon. They look like this here. It's from a company called Dennis, I think it's called. I'm gonna do my best to leave a link below. I'm not quite sure how to do that yet, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Also, since we did the T-Rex controls and stuff, she's put a seat pad on her seat. She says she likes that pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these floorboards on here, and we're going to see how it works and everything. It's just kind of an off-brand, I guess. But how much did we pay for them off of Amazon?
Maybe 20 bucks or something.
Maybe 20 bucks off of Amazon, and they seem like they're pretty good. We're going to give them a shot. Anyway, let me get everything ready, and we'll put these on here. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to do just like we did on the forward control video for the peg. We're just going to bend this cotter key. Turn it around here. And pull the cotter key out.
Excuse our neighbors, they're fighting down the road. Sorry about that.
May make a better video, you never know. May have some
being nosy.
Caught on tape action. Alright, now I can get it out. So that's just a simple cotter pin. Take the bottom of my pliers, knock that pin up, and everything comes out just like that. Put this in here, hooks over that. This part hooks in the back there. Go ahead and push stop. Alright, so your spring goes with this, like this. Paint's coming off on my hand. Put it in here like this. This other part goes on the top of your spring. I guess it goes like this. Yep, there you go. At this point with floorboards, all that's doing is keeping your floorboard from flopping around. But it's as easy as that. I'm going to get the other side done. We'll get Christy on there and we'll see what she thinks. Alright, we're over here doing the other side. Just got to bend this cotter pin. I bent it on there good.
Gray.
Are you filming Gray?
Yeah, because you're not interesting.
She's not interested? I'm not interested? Okay.
Gray, say hi.
Alright, cotter pins out. Pull that out. Put this one on. And this seems to have a pretty good fit and finish as far as going together. Hold that spring in there. Whoops. I just said it had a good fit and finish. Now I can't get this one in here.
Should be good right there, from what I can see.
There we go. Now just put the pin and the cotter pin and the little washer. Where my pliers? Turn this where I can see. Just squeeze that a little bit. Just spread your cotter key back out, or cotter pin. Hinges on there. So that took about 5 minutes for both sides.
Put the cotter pin on the other side.
Huh?
You gotta put the cotter pin on the other side.
Yeah, I still gotta put the cotter pin on the other side. So total about 5 minutes. Christy, if you wanna. So what I'm gonna do, I've had fun working on this Honda. It's kind of Americanizing it a little bit, I guess you would say. And let Christy show you what's
My Crocs.
got her Crocs on.
Yeah, I like them.
So it gives a little better.
Yeah. They're mini.
Does it feel better than the peg?
Yeah.
Make your foot feel more secure?
Yeah, they're mini. They're called, I believe they're called mini.
They're mini floorboards, and they look pretty sharp on here. What you see on this side where the sun's shining better.
I may have to get some spray. With everything that's black on there.
What you see from the top view.
I don't know where the...
It's pretty cool. They don't stick out any further than your regular pegs.
Where's the washer go?
There's no washer on that side. So that's it. That's the floorboard installations. Very easy. Like I said, I'll try to leave a link below to where you can get these, and we'll talk to you later.